Assalamu alaikum students. Open page number 14, skeletal system. Today we are going to study about skeletal system. Our skeletal systems is all the bones in our body, and an adult human has about 206 bones. The main function of the skeletal system is to protect our body delicate organs, that is internal organs, heart, lungs, everything, and it also supports our body. It gives shapes to your body. It forms a framework, means आपके body को जो shape देती है वो आपका skeleton देता है. अगर if there would have been no bones, अगर bones ना होती, अगर हमारा skeleton ना होता तो हम क्या होते, एक गोश्त का piece होते. It keeps your internal organs in place, यानी हमारे organs, heart कहाँ रहेगा, lungs कहाँ है, ये सब they are kept in the place. As well as this skeleton, it works with the muscles, with the help of muscles, and help us to move. It works with muscles and tendons to enable us to move. This is the picture of skeleton. Our skeleton is made up of skull, backbone, that is vertebrae column. Above it is the rib cage. It's composed of 12 pairs of bones. Then comes the limbs, the arms and the legs. Arms and legs are joined to the other bones called the girdles. Now, first of all, I will start with skull. Skull is made up of 22 bones, pieces of bones, but these pieces are joined together. These pieces are joined together or we can say these pieces are joined together and they are called immovable joints, which can't move. Then comes the vertebrae column or the backbone. It is made up of 33 pairs, and these bones can slightly move. That is because of this we can bend, twist, and stand straight. Then comes the rib cage. Rib cage is made up of 12 pairs of bones. Towards the back side, this rib cage is joined to our backbone, and the front side you can see it protects lungs, heart, liver, and our digestive system. Now the third portion is our limbs. Our limbs consist of arms and legs. These arms and legs are joined. In our arms there are 3 bones and they are joined together. The places where these pieces join are called joints, and they are joined with a special type of tissues called ligament. Beside this, these bones are attached to muscles. These bones are hard, they can't move. They can move only with the help of muscles, and muscles are attached to the bones at a portion called tendon. You can see over here, you can see the picture of the tendon. The red color is the muscle. It is attached to the bone at the point that is called, white portion is called the tendon. And below you can see 2 bones, and the white portion over here is called the ligament. This is a special type of tissue which join the bones, between the bones. It's a place where the 2 bones are joined together. Now I will deal with how many types of joints are there. There are 2 types of joints, that is ball and socket joint and hinge joint. Hinge joint, by the name you can see it works like the hinge of the door. That is, it is present in the knees and in the elbows region, in the fingers and in the toes. These joints help the bones to move backward and forward. The next is the ball and socket joint. These type of joints are present in our in our shoulder over here and at our hip. This type of joints are called ball and socket joint, and they can move in all direction. And in this type of joint we have 2 bones. One bone has a round structure, and the other bone has a socket type structure. And one bone, the ball type structure, moves in the socket, and by this movement it can move in all directions. So the 2 type of joints, ball and socket joint and hinge joint, enables our different parts to move and help us to carry on our activities. Thank you.